Want to run AI locally on your computer? Watch this before you choose. Today we're comparing Ollama and LM Studio. Both tools let you run AI models locally. That means no internet, more privacy, and full control. Let's start with Ollama. Ollama is simple and developer focused. You can run models using commands and APIs. It's great if you want to integrate AI into your apps. Now, LM Studio. LM Studio is more visual and user friendly. It gives you a clean interface to download and run models. It's better if you just want to chat with AI locally. Here's the main difference. Olama is more for developers and automation. LM Studio is more for everyday users. Looking at features, Olama offers API access, easy model setup, and integration options. LM Studio offers a GUI, chat interface, and simple model management. In terms of ease of use, Olama requires some technical knowledge. LM Studio is much easier to start with. Now, performance both depend on your hardware, but Olama is often better optimized for workflows and integration. Now, pricing both tools are free to use. Your main cost is your hardware. So, Olama is better for developers and building apps. LM Studio is better for simple local AI use. So, which one should you choose? Choose Ollama if you want to build or integrate AI. Choose LM Studio if you just want an easy local AI experience. Both are great. It depends on how you use AI. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.